Excuse me. Can I ask a couple questions? I guess not. Can I ask you some questions? So what's going on here? You hanging out with the duck family? What's happening there? Are you guys shacking up? Are these half goose, half duck children? It's just, it's unusual. It's unusual. I have no problem with it. I'm not trying to otherize you. It's just, I've never seen that before. And the people need to know about it. Huh. Well, your friends took off over there. Hopefully they'll be back. You got nothing, huh? Alright. To be continued, I suppose. Oh, wait, your friends are coming back. Yeah, maybe there's no connection here. Maybe they were just hanging out. And that was that. Lonely Goosey hanging out with some ducks. Interesting. Alright, Goose, last chance. Anything? Yeah, anything to stay? No, you're finding yourself. I would do that if I could too. Alright, I'll